first time this season I've been in freezing weather. See? There's a snowflake. 31 degrees. And those icy covered fields over there show it. Once that sun comes up, all that ice is gonna melt. Alright, it's gonna be one of those days. Just one of those days. I'm sitting just outside of Indianapolis, Indiana, delivered my load, picking up my load for Orlando. Actually, I was supposed to pick up a load with 3 drops in Miami, but they took that off of me, and they're having me wait until tomorrow morning to drive into downtown Indianapolis, Indiana, and pick up a load at 8 o'clock in the morning for Orlando. Which is awesome. That means I don't have to worry about going to Miami. And if I'm in Orlando, fun times. Fun times. But I'm stuck here. I'm stuck. I'm just 20 miles away from where I have to be. And I don't have to be there until 8 o'clock in the morning. And they don't have overnight parking. So I figured I would just sit here in the town of Spiceland. Spiceland, Indiana. And take the bird up and see what we could see around here. Not much of a town. I think there's a mowed down cornfield right behind me with a water tower. So I've never flown my drone around a water tower before. Could be fun, I guess. I don't know. There's not much else to see or do around here. So I'm just gonna buzz the water tower. As I'm getting everything ready, see, I got the drone ready, charging the battery. I'm not going to take the Osmo out. I'm not going to put you guys in my Osmo so you can watch the bird. I'm just going to make it to where you guys can see what the bird sees. Just because this device, I mean, I have other devices. I have like this phone here and stuff like that. I can control one by and use one in the Osmo. But I normally use this device in my Osmo. The Samsung Galaxy Note, or not Note, but the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. And I've been watching quite a few videos lately on YouTube about this particular device. Everybody talks so awesome about it. They say how great this device is. It's pretty good. I mean, I love it. For a Samsung device, it's pretty amazing. And I'm not a big fan of Samsung. But a lot of people talk about how great the battery life is on this device. They're lying. They're lying. I could power it up 7 o'clock in the morning, it's dead by 4 o'clock in the afternoon with zero use. Maybe 3 or 4 quick 20-second clips on YouTube or for video so I can edit on YouTube later. So maybe 3 or 4 quick recordings throughout the day. And then about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, I look over at it and it's dead or down to like 15%. And I keep the cache cleared. I keep everything clean. The camera is the only thing I use on this phone. I don't use it for video gaming. I don't use it for anything. So all that's on here that I installed is Adobe Premiere Cut and a couple photo editing apps, Snapseed and stuff like that, and the DJI Go app, which is not in use when I'm not using it, when the Osmo's not on. So I don't know what it is about the batteries and Samsung, but the people that tell you, oh, the battery life is awesome in the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, they're lying. Actually, the Note 5 will last all day with some use. I use it to browse the web and stuff like that, check out some YouTube stuff here and there. Don't use it too much for video. But that will last all day. But the Edge, nope, don't believe the hype. Though it is a pretty good phone. going on over there, but I think it's a funeral and they're letting all those lights up in the sky, all those bags on fire. I'm gonna try and fly the drone right in the middle of it. I'm not sure exactly what's going on here. I don't know if it's some sort of Christmas thing, but there are a ton of lanterns going off in the sky. Those paper lanterns. Don't know how well this video is, but check this out. Look at that. It's amazing. Sorry about the red lights from my drone. Look at that. What are they doing? Look down below. Look how many there are on the ground. I don't know. Sometimes you just are lucky and find some amazing things in this country. Okay, that was pretty sweet. I got to admit, I was coming back from getting some coffee, and then I looked up in the sky, and there were all these nighttime lanterns flying up, just flying up into the sky. Perfect time to fly the drone. I don't know how the footage came out yet, but we'll see. Hopefully it's okay. But see, some amazing stuff does happen sometimes.